Let me get some black pepper. I want to put a little black pepper into this. So, it's my first time attempting to make an avocado salad for myself. I'm feeling hungry and I have the taste for guacamole salad and saltine crackers. So I cut up some guacamole, avocado, some tomatoes. I just dice them up, and also have some purple onion in here. But I want to add a splash of black pepper. I like it spicy. Hold on a minute, please. Okay, so I found the black pepper. So I'm not gonna add any salt to this mixture because the crackers I'm gonna have this with have salt on it already, so I don't need salt. So I'm just gonna add a splash of black pepper in here. Yes, y'all, I love a lot of spice. And I'm just gonna start to mix. Mix and mash. So I'm making a guacamole. Good morning, everybody. The ones that just came in. I'm trying to make an avocado salad, guacamole salad, because I want to eat it with some crackers, and that would be my breakfast: guacamole and some crackers. This is not for anyone. I'm just gonna make it for me, for myself. It's nothing, you know, it's not for anyone particular. It's just for me. So I'm just mixing and mashing, mix and mash, mix and mash. Mash the guacamole and the onions and mix everything together. Mix and mash. And this is what's starting to look like. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna dip my crackers and eat. Good morning, everybody. Mix and mash, mix and mash. And this is very delicious, you know. Avocados are very healthy too. Make your skin nice and glowy. Have long hair. You know, avocado is healthy. I'm on a very healthy journey, you guys. You know, sometimes we eat little junk here and there. We eat our little snacks, but it's good to eat healthy, you know. So I'm making the avocado salad, guacamole. This you can also eat it with chips, tortilla chips. You can have this with lettuce and stuff like that, you know. But I'm gonna have this with some crackers. I added guacamole, which is avocado or pear. different countries have different names for food. Some say avocado, some say pear, some say guacamole, you know, different names. So avocado, diced tomatoes, diced red onions. I also added some black pepper. I didn't put any salt. I'm thinking I'm gonna just add a splash of lemon juice. Let me add a splash of lemon juice. Let me get the lemon juice. Alright, I won't bother with the lemon juice. I'm out of lemon juice. I'm gonna eat this now, so it's not gonna turn dark or anything. I'm gonna eat it now. So it's okay if I don't have the lemon juice in it. I'm gonna have it right now. This is what it's looking like. So you just mash everything together to make a nice dip. You know what I'm saying? How nice does it look? Ah, my first time making guacamole, y'all. Let me sample it. I'm going to taste. Make sure I got a piece of tomato, some avocado, piece of that onion, piece of that onion. Look at how nice it looks, y'all. Let's taste it. It's missing something, but that's all right. Crackers have salt. It's missing the salt, but the crackers is already salted. So that's gonna blend in very nicely together. Take a little bit of this. And this is my breakfast. Green and healthy. This is the guacamole. Ooh, y'all can't wait to eat this. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. I made guacamole for the first time. Let me get some crackers to go with this. This is just some saltine crackers. Saltine crackers. So it have a little salt on it. So I didn't add any salt to the guacamole. We have to be careful with salt. So this is what it's looking like. This is what I'm gonna have it with, just some plain crackers. Make sure I make a nice spread. You know, you have to be presentable. You have to make sure it's looking nice. You know what I'm saying? And this is my breakfast for today. Yeah, some crackers with some guacamole. Tortilla chips will be very delicious with this as well, but I'm having it with some crackers. How did I do? Comment below. How did I do? Let's sample, y'all. You're just gonna dip it like this. Oops. Oops. Hey, you don't wanna get eaten? Mmm. Thank you. I'm just going to be dipping and eating. Dip and eat. Mmm, nice dip. Mmm. Happy over food. Mmm. I would have loved to add some cilantro to this, but y'all know me, if I don't have something I make it without it, you know what I'm saying? Comment below what else you add to your guacamole. I add avocado, tomatoes, purple onion, and I added some black pepper. What am I missing? Comment what else you just add to yours, because you know everybody have a different way of making stuff in terms of food. So you might taste mine and it doesn't taste like yours, or it doesn't taste like the restaurants, you know. So comment below what ingredients you make your guacamole with, so that we all can get some ideas for next time. Take a yummy bite. Guys, tasting real good. Who else dance when they eat something good? Make it wiggle. I'm gonna be finished eating my food. So I'll catch you guys in another video. Thank y'all for joining. Alright? Like the live, you guys, and share the live with your friends and your family, so everybody can comment the ingredients they use to make their guacamole.